हौली चला हौली बिल्कुल हौली चला चल 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 हौली 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 बिल्कुल हौली हौली
Everyone, my name is Dr. Palak Gupta Bori. I am the CSR Director of Innocent Hearts Group. हमने इस बार साइक्लोथॉन ऑर्गेनाइज किया है इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए विच इज़ ऑन 15th of August. लास्ट ईयर भी हमने साइक्लोथॉन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था बट दिस टाइम द शो इज़ बिगर एंड बेटर. द मेन पर्पस ऑफ साइक्लोथॉन फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज़ कि जो हमारी आजकल की यूथ है उसमें पेट्रियाटिज़म इंस्टिल करने के लिए सिंस हमारे 5 ब्रांचेस हैं, 5 स्कूल्स के बच्चे एंड फैकल्टी दे कम टुगेदर फॉर दिस ग्रैंड इवेंट. मॉर्निंग 5:30 सब यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं एंड देन 6 o'clock वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद द इवेंट. जो हमारा साइकिल का ट्रैक था दैट वाज फॉर 3.5 kilometers. The children were full of enthusiasm. There was so much excitement. There were patriotic songs being played in the background, and the entire vibe of the morning was very different. Everyone was singing songs all together. I feel like ये बहुत important है since हमें 75 years हो गए independence के. Somewhere the purpose of why Independence Day is celebrated is lost, but एक ये दिन होता है जब हम दोबारा अपने फ्रीडम फाइटर्स और अपने सोल्जर्स के सैक्रिफाइसेस को याद करते हैं. सो आजकल की यूथ में वो इंस्टिल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज इट इज़ very different. The scenario is very different from what our freedom fighters and soldiers and our people from the older generation have seen. Now we have freedom to walk, to talk, to do anything we want to do, anything we want to pursue in our future. And it's a very proud moment as an Indian because हम globally इतने ज़्यादा spread out हो चुके हैं. Whenever we read some news, be it business or politics or art or any theatre or anything, there is an Indian which is shining very bright. And you take for example Sundar Pichai or you take many more examples, but it's such a proud moment for being an Indian that we are doing so well in today's world after achieving our independence. And I would really like to say thank you to our students of Innocent Hearts because today's event was majorly organized by our students. The leaders of tomorrow are MUN. I would like them also to speak something that how the event was, how did you feel that how did you feel organizing this event?
It was a great privilege, ma'am, definitely to organize this event, and I would definitely say that students took a great part in it, but we had always been backed by our teachers and of course you and our management and our principals, vice principals, everybody.
And we being the future policy makers, we felt the need that we have to bring a change in the youth. The pollution by vehicles is degrading the environment day by day. And cycling is one of those activities which can not only improve health but also decrease the pollution. And with the help of Palak ma'am and Director CSI, Disha and our school teachers, we were able to organize a very successful event.
The event was more as compared to the last event. There were around 700 students, teachers. We have taken permission from the DC, police officers, and traffic police. From prior 15 days ago, a notice was sent to all the DCs and the police, and I would like to thank the police commissioner and the traffic police for helping us throughout, for blocking the roads and for making sure that the traffic doesn't interrupt the cyclothon. I would like to thank my teachers because they had our back. Anything which we needed, we just have to inform them, and within a span of time the things were ready. And I would like to thank my team members, including all the student council of MUN, teachers, director, for helping us and to help us to spread the message Meri Mati Mera Desh. Jai Hind.
And apart from the cycling, this event also encourages the youth to think about their nation also, because present youth does not want to think about their nation. On Independence Day, our PM Modi, in initiate so many activities for our youth to take part, but they just kept lying on their homes and using their phones. So we encourage our students to think about the nations, to sing patriotic songs, to say Jai Hind on the roads, to get a feeling of Jai Hind.